Alrighty, so this is my CNC machine. I had converted probably early last year. Got the power supply, the stepper drivers, and I'm using Mach 3. So just to give you a little demo. Alright, so I mean, I had designed all these parts in Fusion 360, and I had got them machined. So you got the bracket here, another one there. You got like bearings and stuff inside here. Stepper motor, I bought the whole kit from off eBay for like 400 bucks or something like that. This one I had to completely make this one, and it's just like bolted onto the sides. Yeah, this is the Chinese version of the Enco, and I'm having a problem. Well, not a problem, but this one, because I bought the like a universal what do you call that thing? Ball screw. So this bracket, I need to or adapter, I need to put a space in between here. So I probably just drill a hole, and one hole in the middle to get that all done. But that's no biggie. Yeah, this is it. I 3D printed these caps for the connectors, but I need to get some better tape, double-sided tape for these two. Well, this one is secure, but that is it. I definitely need to get this thing up and running, up and going. I need to get a different vise. This device is a no-no. I need a bigger vise, a sturdier vise, so I can do, because this thing can't even fit inside of here. So I need to get at least an 8-inch, one that opens up to like 8 inches wide, and like 6 inches for the jaw. But yeah, that's my machine. I definitely need to start making me some parts, because I'm losing a bunch of money when I have to outsource. But yeah, that's it.